Sorry to interrupt. I'm looking for the new SDR. HR needs his W4.
Oh, do you mean MDR?
Sandy said to get the SDR.
He must mean the BDR.
Is this the new BDR?
I don't think so. Are you the new BDR?
No, I don't think so.
Of course he's not. There's no such thing as a BDR here.
We definitely hired a BDR.
Yeah, Bob's right. He starts Q3.
Well, then who's he?
I'm John, the intern.
Excellent. John, can you give me the ROAS for the DV360 campaign by EOD? I'll suck you the deets.
ROAS, why not CPA?
He's HR, not Marcom.
I'll take care of it ASAP, no problem.
Oh, and the CTR for the PPC campaign, that'd be great.
It was 7.5.
And the CPI?
Oh, coming right up. I'll include the CPC and the CDP.
Please CC me.
And BCC me.
ASA?
ARP?
SSP.
APAC, AMIA.
Latam.
MMM.
CTR.
I can get you an SVG with that.
CTA button.
ROI.
PNG.
CMO?
LTV on the down low?
Sorry about that. What did you need again? John.
Is that the new intern?
I guess.
How's everyone getting along?
Where's John?
MIA?